If you are wondering if we can experience overheating issues on POCO X8 Pro Max, then unfortunately the answer is yes. The phone does have some heating issues. Even if you just use your phone on a typical daily basis, if you don't do nothing unusual, then even then you can feel a slight increase in the temperature of the device, which is something that I don't think should really happen. Of course, it's not like it overheats all the time, and no matter what you do, it's not really the case. But if you do happen to do things that are very demanding for the phone, for example, like playing games, using the camera for a long time, or even like performing a benchmark, of course, then during those things, you actually do have a chance to experience some heating issues, and the phone may overheat as a result. Now, personally, I did not experience any performance issues due to a very high temperature of the device, so thanks for that, of course, thankfully. But still, of course, using the phone when it is very high, it's not very pleasant, and of course, this is something that seems to be the case of POCO X8 Pro Max. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.